Hello, in this video we have to combine two radical expressions, and we have 3 times radical of 12x minus 6 times radical of 27x. So before we can combine them, we have to see whether or not we can simplify the radicals into like terms. Let's begin with simplifying 3 times radical of 12x by rewriting it as 3 times square root of perfect square times square root of a leftover. Let's begin by factoring 12. 12 is 2 times 6. 2 is a prime. 6 is 2 times 3. Now we have everything in terms of prime, so 12 can be rewritten as 2 to the second times 3. So 2 to the second goes on the left, 3 goes on the right. We have only one factor of x inside of that radical, so x goes into the leftover root, so 3x. So first term becomes 3 times square root of 2 to the second times square root of 3x. Let's break down the second term into negative 6 times square root of a perfect square times the leftover. Let's factor 27. 27 is 3 times 9. 3 is a prime. 9 is 3 times 3. So we can rewrite 27 as 3 to the second, which is a perfect square, times the leftover is 3. So 3 to the second will go into the left root, and 3 will go into the leftover root, and we have one factor of x, so x will go into the left root. So the second term becomes negative 6 times square root of 3 to the second times square root of 3x. So we get 3 times, we have a square root of 2 to the second, square root and the second power cancels, so 3 times 2, square root of 3x minus 6 times square root of 3 to the second, square root and the second power will cancel, so 6 times 3 times square root of 3x, and we get 3 times 2 is 6 times square root of 3x minus 6 times 3 is 18 times square root of 3x. Now that we have like terms of 3x, we can combine them. So we have square root of 3x, we have 6 in the first term, and we have minus 18 in the second term. So we get 6 minus 18 is negative 12 square root of 3x. And this is our solution. That's all.